Can you rescue your classic car door panels from destruction? Yes, you can. And yesterday we soaked these door panels with special antibacterial primer. Now it's soaked completely. And as you can notice, the leather in good condition. And now we want to create additional protection for our so-called waterproof cardboard. We want to protect our car interior from mold and mildew. And we look more closely to the bottom edge. Bottom edge of door cards suffer more often. And as you see, these fake leather in good condition, so you can protect them instead of buying the new ones. So today our second video about used car door panels restoration. If you're interested in how to protect your car interior, then keep watching. Patrick's Garage. So we want to coat only cardboard and nothing else. So this step to protect our upholstery in pristine shape. Even small holes should be clogged. It's to prevent penetration of paint to the surface of leather. We want to save our car interior in pristine shape. You spend a lot of time inside the car. We want to save vibe of 70s inside. And door cards a major part of car interior. So we decided to paint this cardboard to protect it from destruction. In a lot of cases, it will be better to save classic car door panels in pristine shape. And this is easiest what you can do to protect them. Yesterday we soaked them with primer, antibacterial compound. We don't want to buy new door cards. Yes, they're available, but hardly to find the color what we need. If you want to replace this cardboard, keep in mind that this cardboard should be waterproof, special cardboard. Also, you can buy this waterproof cardboard which was cutted especially for your car. But this endeavor costs a lot of money. So today our goal to protect our door panels. And a lot of work in used car you can do by own hands, especially in car interior. So you want to extend the longevity of your classic car door panels. You have old car to save money, what I want to convey to you all the time. Even if you're planning to buy the new car, but for the time being you carry on with old ones, especially if you're lucky enough that all details of your car interior are intact. And now we will hope that water not going to succeed into our door panels. This cardboard should be only waterproof. You should be keep in mind this is if you want to replace this cardboard. Simple average cardboard absorbing water, but we need waterproof cardboard for our door cards, for our upholstery of our car interior. So this cardboard shouldn't absorb any water inside the door. And this our upholstery cardboard not distracted too much, so we can restore it with paint. So by painting we want to stop destruction of our cardboard. This cardboard should be waterproof. It shouldn't absorb any water, and it protects us from any noise. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. So our upholstery not going to fall apart. And it's not 300s for new upholstery. And it's not 300s. What's the argue about? And I suspect that they're using not waterproof cardboard. So their cardboard were garbage to begin with. Because when it rains, this cardboard absorbing water and they stink horrible. Yes, these were nice upholsteries in their day. In sunshine days especially, 50 years ago. And obviously nobody ever bothered to soaking these cardboards with anti-primer, antibacterial compound. So this cardboard can't last forever. So if you have old classic used car, will be better to protect this cardboard somehow. And in 60s they made this cardboard more better quality. But since 70s they don't make these things like they used to. And water can penetrate protrudes inside the door room, not only through the window scrapers but also through rusty holes which can be at lower edge of the door. If you live in the north, when they want to spread salt on the roads and salt chewing the lower edges of the door, so water can penetrate inside. So you want to protect your door upholstery if you don't want to spend your money to buying new ones. And really strange why they don't want to using plastic for these door panels like in later models. Will be better to use common sense for design of car interior. And truly say, I even afraid to imagine what can be happened with door cards from 240 series. But truly say, in 140 series Volvos, they don't break down all that often like in the cases with 240 series. And yes, very difficult to ascertain what under upholstery, what under this fake leather, in which condition this cardboard. But you can get any suspicions about condition of this cardboard by smell. When it rains, this cardboard smells horrible. And yes, by the way, about color, you can choose what you want. I think this color looks good, and main thing, enjoyable process of painting. Of course, it should be water-resistant paint. Waterproof main thing for door panels. Even in modern cars, water protrudes inside the door room. And can wonder for me why they decided to make electrical locks, so from locks wires goes to the latch. So a signal from the key goes to the latch. A little bit water from side windows always protrudes inside the door, so you can't avoid humidity inside the door room. And since we say about doors, about doorways, 240 series very similar to 140 series. And with doorways, they didn't deviate too much away from the previous generation, so their doors are similar. I mean, 240 series, 140 series. So you can use door seals from 240 series or 140 series. And today was the easiest way for door panels restoration. In general, how to protect from destruction, how to rescue your door cards in their current condition. So if you want to replace your cardboard in your door panels, you have to use only waterproof cardboard, or you can buy coated cardboard especially for your model. Yes, this will be not so expensive as unit cards upholstered with cardboard. And now, if you want me to share more about my car restoration experience, please hit the subscribe button and notifications bell. So make sure you hit the notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload my videos about car restoration. So I'll wrap up the video there, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. As always, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I would sincerely appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to the channel. Thanks a lot. Till next time.